Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing, number 40 Connolly Road in Lindsay. This is a fabulous new up-and-coming neighborhood. We are surrounded by greenery, just 5 minutes from the downtown Lindsay core, public, Catholic, and secondary schools, the hospital, and so much more. Let's head on inside and take a look. Here we are inside this beautiful, brand new, never lived in, detached home. It is an end lot, has a premium yard. We have 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a separate entrance to the basement. We have 9-foot ceilings on the main floor here with tons of natural lighting and walk out to your own private yard. This gorgeous gourmet kitchen is overlooking the family space, perfect for entertaining, and features a Butlers pantry, granite counters, and upgraded cabinets. The primary retreat offers a beautiful space with a his and hers, both walk-in closets, and a 5-piece spa-like ensuite. Each of the 4 large bedrooms here on the second floor features their own ensuite bath. We have endless possibilities for a multi-gen family with a separate side entrance leading down into the basement. If you'd like to book a private tour or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.